But as the cold does linger, homes and businesses starting to experience some maintenance issues.
Freezing pipes or malfunctioning heating systems, both are common this time of year. CBS 4's Claire Curry has some tips to keep in mind to prevent problems this winter.
Here at Giacomo Upper Crust Pizza in Lawrence, the heating system is set for 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but due to heating problems, only 50 here inside the back room.
All that cold air funnels out here, so even out here we're struggling to keep it, above 65, which we like to keep it at 70. And we haven't been able to get anywhere close to that.
For over a week now, private parties have been in other areas of the restaurant as the business awaits a new part for their HVAC system. It should take about another week for delivery and install, costing over $3,000 to fix. While the pizza place encourages people to come warm up with the slice, the persistent problem has impacted business by having to lock their doors early.
We closed at 7:30, so 2 hours early on Saturday, which is, one of our busier days of the week, so that hurt us a lot.
Cold temps are the culprit for the HVAC issues. Heating companies say the pizzeria is one of many with shivering customers.
We've seen a pretty dramatic increase in the heating issues that have arisen lately. We're just now starting to see those frozen pipes coming in. So we had about 20 on the board when we got here this morning, and they're slowly trickling in.
Hope Plumbing, Heating and Cooling says that once it gets below 20 degrees, homes and businesses are very susceptible to frozen pipes. Their plumbers tell people to keep a slow drip in your faucet overnight, both hot and cold, to ensure water comes out of the tap in the morning.
If you do get frozen pipes, the first thing you should do is turn your whole home shutoff valve for the water, and then make sure all your faucets are on so that the water has somewhere to go when it does start thawing out.
As for your heat, they say don't overwork the system by cranking the thermostat and change your air filters as needed.
If your system seems like it's not operating fully or at 100% as it gets warmed up, that's a better time for us to be able to come out and really start diagnosing things and get ahead of the really cold weather that we might see in January.
Reporting in Lawrence, Claire Curry, CBS 4 News.
Breaking news right